In this video, we will learn how to create a bolt in Solidworks. By definition, a bolt is a mechanical fastening device that is used with a nut for connecting or joining two or more parts. The parts that are thus joined can be disassembled and reassembled if required. This feature makes bolts very popular and heavily used. However, some types lack this ability. For example, anchor bolts, which are cast in concrete. In this lesson, we will use Solidworks to convert this 2D sketch of a bolt into this beautiful 3D model. But first, a few important terms. A bolt has a head, typically hexagonal in shape, and a cylindrical body with threads on the cylindrical surface. A bolt can be fully threaded or partially threaded. Different parts of the bolt are visible on your screen. We will be designing a metric bolt. The size of a metric bolt is specified as diameter, pitch, and length, all in millimeters. The size we will be designing, M6 1.0 30, fully threaded. Here's what this description means. M stands for metric thread designation. 6 represents the diameter of threads in millimeter. 1 represents the pitch. The pitch is defined as the distance from one thread to another in millimeters. This is also the distance the bolt will move in or out in one full rotation. 30 specifies the length in millimeters, which is measured from the end of the shaft to the bottom of the head. Let's actually create this bolt in Solidworks. File, New, Part, OK. Click on the top plane and click on Show Icon to make sure that the plane remains visible until you turn it off. Right mouse click, click Normal to, go to Sketch, select Polygon with 6 sides. We are creating a sketch for the head of the bolt, which is hexagonal in shape. Left click on the origin point, drag it out, left click again, right mouse click, Smart Dimension, and the diameter of this circle should be 10 millimeters. Right mouse click, click on Smart Dimension, again to deselect the tool. Right mouse click on this line, select Make Vertical. The sketch is now fully defined. Exit out of it. This is now Sketch 1. Select Sketch 1, go to Features, click Extruded Boss Base. For direction, choose Mid-Plane, and the width of the feature should be 5 millimeters. Click OK, and we've just created the basic shape of the head of the bolt. Press Ctrl 5 to see the top view. Click on the top surface. We're going to create another sketch on the top surface. Go to Sketch, select Circle, left click on the origin point, drag it out until you reach the outer surface of the hexagon. The lines of the hexagon are now tangent to the circle. Left click, right mouse click, Smart Dimension, click on this circle, accept the diameter as 10 millimeters. Click OK. This newly created sketch is now fully defined as well. Exit out of it. This is Sketch 2. Select Sketch 2. The Sketch 2 is selected. Go to Features. Select Extruded Cut. 5 millimeters. Tick Flip Side to Cut. Click here and type in 45 degrees. Click OK. We have created this feature on the top surface of the head, and we will mirror this feature on the bottom surface. Click Mirror. Make sure Mirror Face Plane is selected. This rectangle should be highlighted blue. And click on this top plane. and it has automatically selected the feature that is to be mirrored. If it does not select it automatically, click on this arrow and select Cut Extrude 1. Click OK. Head of the bolt is now complete. Click on Top Plane and click Hide, as we do not want to see this anymore. Press Ctrl 6 to view the bottom side of this object. Click on the bottom surface. We're going to create another sketch on this surface. For the body, or shank as it is known as, click Sketch, select Circle, left click on the origin point, drag it out, left click, Smart Dimension, and the diameter of this circle has to be 6 millimeters. Click OK, and this is now Sketch 3. Select Sketch 3, go to Features, Extruded Boss, Base, make sure the Merge Results is ticked. Length of the shank should be 30 millimeters. Click OK, and we are almost done. We only have to create threads on this surface. Go to Hole Wizard, click this arrow, select Thread. Thread location is highlighted. Click on this circle, and up to Selection. Left click to highlight it, and then click on this surface. Now you can see the threads, but the threads are appearing in pink color, indicating something is not right. Select Extrude Thread to fix it. See the color change to green? The thread is short here, so we need to offset 1 millimeter. But not in this direction. Change the direction. Same with the edge 2, which is this one. Again, 1 millimeter. See the threads coming out. So we also have to trim with the start face and trim with the end face as well. And simply click OK. Our bolt is now complete. We can apply material. Click here. Right mouse click and select. Add appearance to part. We've created a bolt in SolidWorks that can be used for commercial production. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next lesson.